back to a brand new YouTube video. So today it is a Friday, it is the 31st of July, and I am starting a new vlog. I came back from campus like 2 hours ago, and I've been in my room watching some TikToks because I haven't been on TikTok in a while. I've been watching a lot of Netflix. Guys, I'm running out of breath because I have a cold. I told myself that I'll start a new vlog once I have fully recovered, but I just can't stop vlogging, so here I am. So it is a Friday today. I currently want to go outside to check up on my laundry because this morning I did my washing, so I want to check if it's drying properly. And then for the remainder of the day, we're gonna watch a few YouTube vlogs and some Netflix. I don't have anything to do. I don't have any work to get started on, but tomorrow I want to revise on my work because the lecturer was doing a topic that I didn't understand, but I'll just revise on my own tomorrow. On Fridays I don't like touching on my schoolwork, and I'm still recovering from my flu, so I don't want to like put too much strain on myself. So I'm just gonna watch some vlogs, and then after vlogs I'm gonna watch some Netflix. Obviously I'm currently watching Blacklist. So yeah guys, I just wanted to introduce the vlog for now. So for the rest of the day we're just gonna watch some Netflix and YouTube and stay in bed. That's pretty much it. But anyways, welcome to a new vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Guys, I just came back from warming up my food. I'm about to eat my leftovers from yesterday. It's just a matter of discipline because I cooked. I was literally on the verge of ordering takeout because like something juicy. And guys, like imagine eating chicken livers and rice on a Friday. Like no matter the circumstances, on Fridays I don't eat cooked meals. Like I always eat takeouts on a Friday or like something of that sort. It's just that this week I got disturbed because initially this food was supposed to be done yesterday, but go on the right day. So if you don't hear from me today, because the jobs I got to do my panga just for the fact that I can waste. Guys, give it to Johnny. All I have to say ke hore I guess I just chicken liver ke la bona pila next year cause ntho e rahetse mo a ke itse re nka e ba bjang go le no ke ka pa sprite itse hore di ska be di a bona and come freezering ke sana le packet e nngwe mara all I have to say go fetsa le yona ngwaga a ke ile di ja hape shem.
All right, what are we telling?
She wasn't either.
Good evening, twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. So hi guys, welcome to a new day. I just love that TikTok sound so much, but I'm sure by the time I post this video sound fashioning. So anyways, welcome to a new day. So it is the next day today. It's currently 12:30. I quickly want to revise on my work that I've been doing this past week because like it is slow and I couldn't participate fully because guys, I think I'm starting to hallucinate. I couldn't participate fully in my academics because of my flu, but now I want to catch up on some schoolwork and then I'll just continue with my day. I'm gonna watch some YouTube because I've been watching Netflix. It's the day I say no to Netflix. I'm gonna catch up on a few vlogs because marani YouTube but like but I'm going back to YouTube and then Netflix. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the day. I'm craving takeout and takeaway guys. Yes, burger juicy like McDonald's burger but like I juicy but steers cause or like so maybe get like a steers because KFC and interpretation so yeah, welcome to a new day. Please don't mind my boobs. I'm just lazy to wear a bra because they are moving. I just want to drink my medication before I start my day. Oh, Mangithi mayabona oh bala bala guys, I love that song. Oh my god, it's the last day of my antibiotics, so it's the last one. Angisafuna ukubamanga ngibona wena anginaba. Okay, antibiotics already fedile. Thanse ke nwe Aqua Felix ke tsa go ntsha spoon so go eno ka molomo either way eno ke nne ke yone. Ifile go njaja bana ba njaja shame a ke na taba nna. Guys, I wonder it's how many pills for motho a no overdose like ebe so it's because ka tikutsa motho a bana pills tse okay like do you think akaso? I wonder shame. Cheers, keep it on the so we can get started on my day. Ka utlwa ka fola because let's tlhalosa ka se thomile ta ba shame. Guys, I just came back from purchasing food. I'm just gonna give you guys a proper look once I unwrap the plastic. But nearly 15 million got the conservative Megan Cornish, so Caracas part, so I think because yeah, sausage, that's all I have to say. But Nigan is doing because Nigan is something about the cheap chili sauce and it's quite juicy and saucy. So let me quickly go warm it up and then show you guys how it looks and then yeah. You, I'm the one you're gonna need to make for me to see. That's for me, you're the one in my heart. Time won't come to the end, I'm always be right by your side. But that's for me, you're the one in my heart. Time won't come to the end, I'm always be right by your side. I know you're the one, I know our time will come. I feel it in my heart, I see you in my dreams, I keep you in my prayers. So guys, it is Sunday today and I'm just so lazy to cook, so I quickly want to go down to collect my food. I ordered from Pedro's, so I just saw from my app that my driver is 2 minutes away, so let's go downstairs to collect my food. So it's Tuesday today, so I just want to moisturize my body. I just got out of the shower. I want to get ready because I might go to school. I have a class. It's just that I don't have a lecture as of yet, so I get to if class in A. Will I find someone in the class or what? And I hate mahala. The problem with this class is that it's a new module, hence why I don't want to be left behind. That's the thing, because if it was my normal modules, if nearly 1 hour, because it's just like an hour any guys. So the problem with this module, it's new to me and I have a feeling that it's going to be problematic, so I don't want to miss the classes. I just don't know if I should attend the class or not, and I can't write anyone an email to ask if there is a class because I don't have a lecture. So I get to get I don't know what to do. So in the meantime, and then because I still have some time before 12. So I just came back from Hufutumata, rice crispy. So one of the people ba le gore ba bereka mo ba kopana le nna ba mpotsa gore ka posta neng mo YouTube. So it's like this guys, he gave us a jam go edit a poster today. Like guys, what if you wanna make me happy, tell me something with regards to my channel. Gore o brighten up mundua ka le class ela ya 12 ke did otherwise energy ya ka itsona 100 kaya. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. So Eric AJ ke edit ke classing guys. So ke nya go tswa no ke nya go ya Shoprite go reka borotho le Coke. Initially ke nya go reka limetse because skin sa ka he ke le mo sa react. So mama kana mpotsa gore maybe ke metsi a mo, so I should wash my face with bottled water. It's just that no ke tswa fuku ka metsi because le ke go ke le plastic ya Coke le borotho. So metsi ke le reka ka osana because I still have water which I can drink today and tomorrow ke tlhape sefatlhego. So ke tla reka metsi pila ka osane. So no re ke ke Shoprite go reka Coke le borotho, and then I'm gonna leave my phone to upload a video. Hopefully ke bo I upload it, and I really hope I not copyright because I tried new music. Wait till I was on music guys. Like honestly, I don't like trying out new music because it's always copyrighted. Matata, you know, a stressful process I think. So hopefully when I come back, video to upload that, and then hopefully it's not copyrighted and then it can go public. I just have to make my thumbnail when I come back. So let's go to Shoprite. Wait again. Why can't I go to movie and yeah, Shoprite then get alone and go. Just got back. Ke fetsa pa go la grocery aga, so I wanna make myself some lunch. Go ira mai ka di nuggets. I'm gonna make these nuggets. I wanted to buy fish fingers, but they were just so expensive. They were I think 90 rand, and then these were 55 rand. They were on special. So I'm like, wait again, some nuggets because I've had this brand before. I've had the nuggets and I've had their fish fingers and their bites. So yeah, let's make some lunch. Welcome back to a new day. So it's Thursday today and I want to make myself something to eat because in the next hour I need to go to school. There's something I need to sort out. Remember I told you guys that for one of my modules I don't have a lecture, so I want to sort it out because I'm running out of time and I'm missing out work because I get to Hiranang. So I want to go to school and sort it out, and then I'll be back after like 2 hours. So no 11, I'm gonna leave at 12. I want to make myself something to eat, and then I have to clean, and then since I got paid, because for the past 2-3 days but then today I just need to cook because if I eat too much bread guys, and if you know, like I have stomach problems, so I can't eat bread too much. So yeah, let's make something to eat and then ready to prepare short sleep because I'm only gonna go for like 2 hours and it's actually too early. So and you don't see this so I don't really have anything to wear right now, and no sleeping again so I can even get a chiller, so that's why I should sleep. But get up San Bonani, guys, give it a score on song. Give it a home. I'm just gonna dedicate an hour to clean because I really chill out. Yeah, I just wanna clean the bathroom. Like go like you know, like I would chill out. So you can see and then get a woman show, get a go to come up here. I just went to school for an hour and then couldn't get in. I ran cruiser. Yeah, but give it either way. And my bad guys, yesterday we literally reached 900 subscribers. So I think that by reach 1K by September, it's gonna happen because no TV6 are August. We literally have like 25 more days to reach 100 subscribers, and I know we're gonna reach it. So guys, another thing, please subscribe. Like I've been very consistent. Subscribe, share my videos, repost, like just but most importantly, please subscribe. So yeah, everything again. Because now I go twice a week. Once a week, go the other day. So get you so the conditions are already there. Guys, you know, sharing is one thing. When I share a bathroom, it's where I draw the line, guys. Like maximum le bathroom ki because guys guys like because the rest of the single room, but then bathroom I share like maybe 10 and guys like like I'm easily disgustedly before kithabameno mohai moes kikolomaka basin, so I can imagine like kithabameno basin guys like you know when you speak about someone who's germophobic, it's me. Like I'm easily disgusted. I wonder if there's one thing, sharing a bedroom is one thing, but I want to share a bathroom like more than 2. It's literally where I draw the line. That's my magician. Because bathroom body chila, okay, like half la shabila, emella, bathroom kamushawari. Like people are just so untidy. I didn't even untidy body chila and like I'm untidy body chila. Should again, guys. I didn't go share a bathroom like I didn't go share a bathroom because Chuniaka Kambra Nidin Butterfly, that's not bathroom. I'm both on the mental one. Uske wash a bathroom because it's disgusting, like very disgusting. So you can get a bathroom.
Me and my people be rolling. Scheming on you and your homie. Every first day of summer, all grown down in the Hummer thing. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way. You and your girls on the ride. Play all day, walk on the line. Say what, say what, say what. You know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. And you know what I need. Ooh, say what, say what, say what. You know that I'm about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what
So I just collected my delivery from Chicken, so I'll show you guys everything that I got. I couldn't even take a picture for my thumbnail because hopefully time will buy a and buy since I got some Sprite because can I get a Coke? So here, I'll get to say Coke, and then I don't really like sunlight. I prefer orange. It's just that I don't think I am macro for sepa fail because the only thing I go macro is sepa. And then he ordered a pie because it's Friday today and I'm gonna eat in our pile because my banana pile, but then I'm gonna eat my leftovers and then bushi go jar pie because we're talking about shampoo. And then I also got some water because and then yeah, that's pretty much everything that I got. I'm just contemplating right now if I should eat my pie or like later means meat. So I think I'm gonna means meat and then bushi because get your pie. So yeah, let's go warm up my food. Because so I'm just gonna add the mince inside the macaroni, add them in here, and then after eating maybe gonna make it because I don't wanna binge watch, you know what, like yeah, I'm watching Blacklist if you don't know, so I've been binge watching it. Like I haven't even watched the 4 of Us since Ketlares. I think the 4 of Us because I've been so focused on Blacklist, but can you go to break just for like a few hours because no can better too. So if I start binge watching now, probably go like about 12. So imagine binge watching for like 8 hours, like I healthy and once kill moyon we try hopefully the shape accept to focus on motion anyway. And you guys like reading the crash. So that's why I focus is on my own again and keep on peace. Guys, like my dream is to marry a white old rich man. Like monna all over Sutu, Kawachiaba Rolex or AP or a Bulgari, Kasuit, and then I found the lifestyle. It will work, guys. Market creation, but emphasis on the fact that he has to be white. I can go Yanamusu to manage. Like I see black people a lot and come across but white, so I'd really love to marry a white man. But can I go to Durga but white, so I want the money alone rubber action. Yo, I want to go fit in because Sprite is a visa and I can have to tell could drink the ice if he's because it ain't a city. So coffee is a meat because I can do my juicy and I can do my oros. So Sprite is a so long as it on ya, Kitlo Sija, Kitlo Sinali, take a job high. So the Josaka go the Jaga coffee is a meat. So here is my food. Let me indulge and then I will see you guys after I eat. Yeah, I'll see you guys after I eat, and I have to do my hair this weekend, so I probably have to go to the mall to buy bleach. If it wasn't for vlogging, I wasn't gonna do my hair because I hardly go to school and I don't really care like how people at school see me. It's just that you need to look presentable, like obviously. So I need to go buy some bleach, and then I don't know if I'm gonna cut, honestly, like but I'll cut my hair properly when I go home because I'm gonna go home hopefully I go home the first week of September. So that's when I'll do my hair properly. But for now, I need to remove this black hair. So 10 kilo bleacher. I have some bleach, but it's not enough because I need to do like 2 or 3 rounds because I want the color to turn out even white. Because lately white be apala, so I figured I need to do like 3 rounds. Like today, I do 2 rounds, and then Kausa Nigira on number 3. So let me stop yapping. Yeah, let me eat.
Say what you know that I like it, baby. Girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Say what, you know that about it, baby. Girl, you know what's up. I'm digging you, I'm feeling you. And you know what's up, baby, on you. And I'm wanting you. Tell me what's up,
Guys, so it is the next day today, and as you guys saw, from when you get bleaching but now I'm done bleaching my hair. I just want to make myself something to eat, and then he gave it like at least to go bleach, because I'm not sure if my gula I'm on bleach, but if I'm not get like good leaks. And last time I got bleach good leaks, it really made for hair. So hopefully this time it doesn't do the same thing, or brand different when it comes to bleach. Not just buy the cheapest bleach, and I don't want to lie. So if I get to go remember, but hopefully magula alana bleach, because sometimes banayona, sometimes abanayona. But let's hope today banayona, and then later on tonight get a bleach and then tomorrow hopefully if I have the stamina kokera. But if I don't bleach today, go bleach outside and then kakera Tuesday, because Monday is holiday, so I don't think Salimite is eating. So I wanna make myself something to eat kwera my nuggets, because no one, so it's probably gonna be my brunch. Pila guys, brunch if I don't go manka 12 or kawan, because guys after 12 ke lunch. So I didn't go to lunch yet because got lunch later on. So I did a brunch and then go maguling, and then that's pretty much it for the day.
Girl, you know what's up. I'm digging you. I'm feeling you. You know what's up. I know what's up. Said I'm big on you, and I'm wanting you. Tell me what's up. Tell me what's up. People find that I'm zoning right around 2 in the morning. Doing live with the sun just on. Coming on, girl, you got me wide open, waiting all day and I'm hoping. So baby, don't front, taxi cheap, you know what I want. Say what, you know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Ooh, say what, you know that I'm about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. Bleach in 70 rand, and then kaya Shoprite kareka Zimba, because ke like delays, and delays guys, delays 27 rand. These were I think 18 rand ka bona ba tseng delays wena o tlo fetsa tšhelete ya ka. So yeah, ke odile diphatlo tsa ka le tsa tšhomi ya ka, but nna ka duma o le ka duma sephatlo aka tshwara ke tlala no ke tlo se ja late. It's just that ke bona ka dira transaction ya wale, so ke metse also all unbonele hidile ready, and then probably go jaga 6 or 7 because nas khaleke chill. It's just that yena haja, so that's already odile no hore a khone ho ja. And I didn't get bona ka re ke rata sephatlo, a ke rata sephatlo pile nna sephatlo ke rata sa go tora. It's just that sephatlo se chipile se mo kaufi sa khurisa, because it's literally a walking distance. So I avoid the order with McDonald's, because it's just that guys, so I'm just looking outside. But spot is not that guys prefer, it's just that it's way cheaper compared to like a lot of takeaway spots, because 50 rand that's but Sadora it's way cheaper. It's just that yeah, sichipile and sakurisa, because guys you can just I'm not gonna eat anything later at night. So guys, you can McDonald's or like Steers, like Beggar like I really love McDonald's, but McDonald's I crazy. So hence I get what's this? Hence I get this part. So get wanna be like yeah, I'm not gonna take my phone with you guys when I go fetch my food, because like the situation is I would trust with it. But yeah, if I do something later on the day, I will definitely take you guys with, and I really hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. And please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. And about your ride, there'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. I hope you feel the same. Had to fill out my prescription, cause the memory
Tuesday, and I just came back from the mall. I went to buy meat. I am gonna be cooking samp with beef stew. So nikilo like stew minty chicken, because the only meat I have left is chicken breast, livers, and what else? Chicken breast and livers. That's all I have left. And then nikilo mila stampa. So I'm currently cooking my samp. So in the meantime, I quickly want to show you guys everything that I got from the mall. And then after doing my haul, I'm gonna start preparing my meat. And let's come on, guys. The last time I spoke to you guys, I was bleaching my hair, but I'm done bleaching my hair. I'm just waiting for the weather to cool down, because and I don't go wedding. So until the weather lightens up, I can't go to the barber because I have to go cut. And luckily, I'm not planning on attending any of my classes this week, only on Friday. So hopefully tomorrow or Thursday the weather looks better so that I can cut my hair. But yeah, let's quickly unpack my groceries, and then after today I'm gonna close off the vlog. I'll start a new vlog once I fixed my hair situation.
Alright, transformed your love into life. Baby, believe me, I'm sorry I told you lies. I turned day into night.
I wanna enter my class because I have a class right now. I'm actually 10 minutes late, but it's only an hour. So let me quickly attend my class, and then hey Faith, I'll check up on my food.
See, this life thing, yeah, it's all about understanding, bro. You gotta understand what you're doing. You gotta need a direction, bro.
What's up on the time? What's up on the time? When I just try, when I just try. When I drop a song, I go need to dance. The work I could get it, to do my price. Then I find the sound among all the sounds. I know get the name, I know sing the sound. Sound, I'm on the sound. I want the precise, I want the precise. For my city gone. You know be run from who you are, man. Waiting go be man is cast in stone. But do well long power sand you. But why they titi mo de sham you. I do well long to come yo. Kale mansion kale she kale man yo. Oh you alone. My mama leave me, yeah, you know long. Lost myself and I found my purpose. Yeah, every day I know that I am blessed. Tonight because you love me. Yeah, they can do me. Nothing man no face, vibe to pay. These kind of things in our life.
So guys, I just finished dishing up. I wanna eat, and this is where I'm gonna end today's video. I'll see you guys on the next YouTube video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.